guys, welcome to Tucker and Tulips. It's me, Trudy. So today I have a video for you guys. This is a Secret Santa style and Christmas in July swap that I'm participating in for 2025. And this swap is hosted by Carol from the Crinkle Path, and the other participating hostesses are Sarah from New England Junk Journals, Pam at Pam Van E Journal Maker, and Angela the Traveling Crafter, and lots of other participants, you guys. I'll have all of that stuff on in my description. Go by there. Everybody's starting to post their videos. This is the first we do three, and the third okay, so let me I can't talk, guys, it's late. And so we were to do three packages for our participant, for our recipient. And the first one was to decorate three handmade tags, and the second one is three crafting supply items, and the third one is a handmade Christmas or winter item with two winter or Christmas and winter supplies items. So this is my first, you guys, and I'm gonna open it. I just received it today, so let me just cut it open. I want to make sure I don't cut anything. You know how that goes, you guys. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited to get my tags. Alright, so I haven't seen any of these, and oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, these are awesome. Oh wow, these are really awesome. This is it looks like a journal. Oh wow, I love this. Alright, so let's see if we can, I think this is how you open it. I don't want to mess it up. Let's see, how do you do this? I know this opens. Oh, okay. Velcro, okay. Oh, isn't this cool? It's a little tag journal. Look at that. Let me get it in there. It has some tea-dyed or maybe coffee-dyed paper. This is really cool. I love this. And I love that, I love this little closure. This is really cool. I didn't know Tucker was in here, you guys. Tucker is my namesake for my channel. Man, I love this. I've never thought about putting eyelets in, you know, putting them in the pictures, but I love that. And then this one. Wow, I love the pictures. Those are awesome. Really cool. Oh wow, look at this. You guys, look at those pictures. Aren't those cool? Look at, oh, I hope you can see. Wow. So if you guys don't know, I really love Tim Holtz. So I don't know if I put it on there, but I do absolutely love Tim Holtz. And then this one. I love these. Wow. What cool tags. These are awesome. Thank you, Secret Santa. Let me make sure there's a card in here. I missed it. Nope. No clues, no nothing. You always think like, okay, you're going to get like, see the handwriting or something like that. So I have no idea who this could be. And I absolutely love my tags, you guys. These are beautiful. Again, if you guys have not checked them out, I'm going to have all the people who are participating in the swap. And yeah, go check them out and see what everybody's getting in July, spreading the Christmas spirit. And this it's so hot here in Arizona, you guys. It is like, well, right now it's raining, so it kind of cooled down a little bit, but it's very humid. And so, like, if your bones will hurt, they're gonna hurt. If you have allergies, you're gonna have allergies. It's just been really crazy. This morning I wake up really early before I start my day, my work day, and I try to go swimming. And this morning I woke up to a huge, like, 4-inch beetle, and then a little tiny frog in there. And oh, guys, yeah, so lots of things happening. I had to call Johnny and tell him to come and get it because I didn't want to kill that frog. Like, if I was to get it, I would probably freak out if it jumped at me or something. Um, but so he came right away and got it. But then after Audrey got home from school, there was uh, a bat by our front door, by the front door. So I was freaked out about that. Yeah, anyways, I'm like, ah. So weather is crazy here in Arizona. So Christmas in July could not come at a better time because it just kind of makes us think of, what do we have, like 5 more months, 6 more months, 5 more months to go, and it's Christmas time, you guys, with all the coziness. And so, yeah, I know some people are like, what? I don't want to think about it, but you know, it's a beautiful time of the year. Anyways, okay, you guys, well, I will see you. Thank you for watching, and please go and check out all the participants. All right, we'll see you later. Merry Christmas and Secret Santa, thank you so much.